What's up everybody, it's the Texas Squeegee and today we are here at Adaptive Infusion putting a dark neutral 15 commercial tint for heat, glare, privacy, and UV protection. All right, so let's start with the needs of the project. Now, Adaptive Infusion provides IV services to the locals here in Houston. Now, suppose I'm one of the patients that they're seeing in this room right here. As you can see, sitting in this space, the sun is coming right down in this area, which creates for a hot environment. It creates for a really bright, excessive glare on the outside, and the UV, my skin doesn't like the UV. So what's the best way to solve for something like this? Let's go find out. Dark Neutral 15 is the go-to choice because this building is located in an area with a lot more shopping centers, so we didn't want to put something on it that was going to be reflective and stand out. This one blends it in and it's a subtle film that's going to give you all the heat, privacy, and glare. But what are the stats? Let's go find out. Stats, you say, huh? Well, this one's got 99% UV protection, it has 75% of the infrared rejection, and it has 90% glare reduction. As you can see it right on the glass right here, this section is the one that's got the sample, the glass doesn't have it, just for reference point to show you what the difference will look like once you put it on the glass. All right, so the process for getting this done with Texas Tint Masters is very simple. Initially, the client reached out to us to set up a consultation for us to do a building evaluation, testing the glass and looking at the building itself. From there, we drafted our proposal with the recommended films that we went with, including pictures, videos, and heat tests on the product itself. Finally, once the proposal was approved, we set up an installation date for our team to come in, starting with a multi-stage deep cleaning process to improve the film to glass bond, ensuring a proper fit and a long-lasting product that's not going to peel. Finally, our team cleans the windows, leaving the building clean the way we went into it, ready to enjoy the immediate benefits of XPEL's Dark Neutral 15 commercial window film. So if you want to be comfortable like me and want to get something like this done, visit us at texastintmasters.com. If you learned something, let us know in the comment section below. This has been Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, signing off, and I'll see you on the next one. Squeegee that.